Alright guys, so I want to show you a bit about WordPress. That's the new format, not only for the website, but for our blogging platform. And we have an enterprise version, a multi-site that has a lot of features in it, but it is a little different than what you've done in the past. So I wanted to go through and show you how to edit as well as how to add a blog. And so this is the Frisco website, new location, the Dallas area that just opened, and you can see that they're brand new and they don't have a lot of content yet, but they don't have a picture. And I noticed a lot of yours websites don't have pictures at this point, as far as the blogs. And so, a couple things. One, this is what when you want to access WordPress, you're going to go to Media Blog and then click on it, and then you'll access your dashboard. And so, if you click on Post is where you want to go to. If you click on edit, they have that for their one article, and any kind of photo you're going to want to put in, set the featured image at the bottom. So that's where they have a bit of an issue. So I'm just going to find a kitchen photo if there's one here, and we can change it out later, but I'll set that as a featured image, and then we'll update here, and then you'll go to here and we'll refresh, and you'll be able to see now you got a picture. Okay, so that's really simple. Now to create a post, I'm going to go back to their posting section. You click add new, and so John had an article that they just had featured, so I'm just going to cut and paste it over here. So if you go into this will be a little clunky, but transform your home. You're gonna put your headline right here. Then I'm gonna just cut and paste this article, and just do. You can change the fonts and I'm gonna bold the questions here and do a little. I'm doing for time's sake. I won't go through the whole exercise, but just to show you what it's like to publish. Okay, so I'm going to put a photo, so set featured image. I'm going to upload a file. Which I had saved earlier from the article here, and you can edit it right there. So you can save a draft preview. I'm going to go ahead and publish. And so we'll go back here. And again, you can see what it looks like. So we would probably edit the photo a bit to make this a little smaller, but that just gives you an idea of how to publish articles, how to edit photos. So really simple. If you have questions, reach out to us, but just wanted to share that with you, and good luck with WordPress.